Hi. I'm Purple Bro. I turn things that are not purple. I also use my purple gloves to bring out my weapons like magic.
Hi. I'm Sponge Bro. I use my sponges to clean a dirty stuff. I also throw sponges at people.
Hi. I am Magma Bro. I throw magma cubes at stuff. I also use my body to make fire, magma, or lava.
Hi. I'm Hot Sauce Bro. I force people to eat my hot sauce. I also use my hot sauce for a weapon.
Hello. I'm Gun Bro. I use my gun to kill everyone. I also turn people into villains with guns with my hand. Hi. I'm Clay Bro. I turn people into clay. I also use my clay ball as a weapon.
Hi. I'm Flamma Bro. I burn and attack people with my flamma/flamethrower.
And hi. I'm Paste Bro. I am a larger version of Glue Bro. And we 8 are created by Godzilla Fanatic 2017.
Hi. I'm Zucchini Bro. I force people to eat zucchini. I also throw zucchini at people.
Hi. I'm Pea Sewage Bro. I use throw pea sewages to kill people when their bricks or net them to trying to kill me. I also throw them at people.
Hi. I'm Dark Frost Bro. I am a dark version of Frost Bro. Note, I may have red skin, but my helmet and shell are blue.
Hi. I'm Dark Thunder Bro. I am a dark version of Thunder Bro. Note, my body is like Dark Ice Bro, but I have a thunder circle.
Hi. I'm Dark Banana Bro. I am a dark version of Banana Bro. Note, I may have Dark Egg Bro's body, but I have a banana in front of me.
Hi. I'm Dark Vortex Bro. I am a dark version of Vortex Bro. Note, I may have Dark Thunder Bro and Dark Ice Bro's body, but I have a tornado. And hi. I'm Banza Egg Bill Bro. I use my Banza Egg Bills to kill Mario. And we 8 are created by Matthew Milton 1. And we 16 are getting new Grounded series soon. So stay tuned.